lost or misplaced your Citi card. Quick-Lock lets you block it instantly from the Citi mobile app. Open the Citi mobile app and sign in with your credentials. From the home screen, locate the account card you want to manage. Tap the card to open its details page and view card actions. Find the Quick-Lock option in the card actions list and get ready to toggle it. Now I'll show how to turn Quick-Lock on and verify the lock status. Tap the Quick-Lock toggle to block new purchases and cash advances immediately. A confirmation screen appears showing your card status as locked. Check the lock icon and status text. To unlock, return to the same Quick-Lock toggle and switch it off when you have your card. If you suspect fraud or unauthorized charges, contact Citi immediately using the in-app support or the number on the back of your card. Remember, Quick-Lock is temporary. To replace a lost or stolen card, contact Citi to cancel and reorder a card. Quick-Lock puts fast control in your hands. Check your card status anytime in the app.